U.S. Treasuries took down.
Listen up, Rebels. Rebel Leader here, and today we're going to do a quick update on GME. And overall, the market is green, and that's a great sign. In general, we knew it was going to be a quick bounce back after last week. Tattooed Chef. I hope you guys got some shares in the 16s. Now it's back up to $19 a share. These things are expected. These volatile natures, ups and downs, right? But what's important this week, especially, is that as we're quickly approaching September, and the first weeks of September, we're going to start seeing, the Fed try to de-escalate inflation or try to curb it. And also they're putting in more regulations. As the Reverse Expo has hit like a new record high of 1.1 trillion, what we're seeing in these meme stocks especially is that their prices are really going higher despite low trading volumes. Now GameStop has had its, on average, a very low trading volume of 1 million shares a day, and compared to its peak, it's much higher. And what we're seeing is that they're steadily increasing their stock price. And what's going to start happening is that as people are shorting the stock, or they have, some of them are either holding the stocks or they're holding put options in these stocks, hoping that stock goes down. A lot of them are taking margin out, right? And they're going to get margin called. And that means that as soon as they get margin called, they get pulled out of stock real fast. Now, this is how a stock price can keep driving up, at the beginning of, in the next few weeks. This is technically how the stock price can rapidly increase really fast in a very short amount of time, like a period of days. So everyone is holding, and as the price rises this cycle, those who are shorting the stock won't be able to meet their margin requirements. They'll get margin called, and that will send the stock price even higher because they're forced to pull out of their shares and their shorts, right? These next 4 or 5 months to end off 2021 will be very telling of where the stock market will go from here. And for any long-term investor, it could either be like a rampant run on another bull market, and it really just depends how optimistic, not only the stock market is, but in general the economy, the U.S. economy. Are we going to see COVID numbers kind of stagnate or kind of not have really any more effect, even though they're kind of rising and we're seeing more variants? Will vaccinations increase, or how are people feeling about going back to the offices? It's all these things that kind of will determine. But, for the immediate term, probably the best things you guys can do is look at these, again, these meme stocks and really trending on stocks like, GME right now. I know AMC is lowest it's been in a few weeks. You kind of have to ride these cycles, get them at the bottom, because again, they're going to go back up and down and up and down, and you can really take advantage of these trends and these the volatility here. And GameStop has been, a go-to for the past year, and it's probably actually one of the most safer stocks you can be in, because there's a lot of hype, there's a lot of true holders and believers in the stock, and people who just want to hold again just to see if they can squeeze out Wall Street and all these big firms, right? The Wall Street Bets army. So you have like a lot of people behind you, and I think that's what makes kind of playing the volatility at GameStop, pretty safe option actually. Rebel Leader, over and out.